Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life, and you know this big. Yeah, I have a TEMU Haul. And I'm going to start with these are all the same product. So I got one open. I just got one to see it. So this is what it is. And I have these little carts that I keep my markers in. And I bought 6 of them just to see and if they fit my markers and if they'll look good in the cart. Oh, that's awesome. So now it's the next step is to put them in the cart itself. But I was like, oh yeah. So I bought 6 to try out. They'll be lined up. So I've always wanted something for my markers like that. So I got 6 of them. So I might be getting a few more of them after I do the cart. Yeah, let's get to the other stuff. Alright. Oh, I'll do these. So these are toothpaste rollers. But I wanted, and I'm trying to see which one. Here we go. My idea is to see if I get this right. Where does it go? Might not work. Oh, I just gotta get it. Going. Oh, there we go. About getting it going. So I had one from Scott's dad. I might have to trim it to work with my paint. I gotta get it to go around. So I want to do this just in case it won't work. You don't waste your money. Oh, yeah, there we go. So, I gotta figure it out here. Get it going and it'll work. I know I can see it working already a little bit. I just gotta get it. Oh, I see. Oh, okay. So, I just discovered something. Look at the end. It's open. See, it's open? I'll slip that into there. Oh. Wow. See, this, I've never done these. It's a little bit bigger than the thing, but I still think I can get it to do what I want. Now, slip it back in. Oh, yes. That's what I wanted. So when they get down to the little nitty gritty of paint, I can squeeze it to the top. I'm liking that. So I might get me more of them. Now it's about to see. I'll work on a bigger one. We'll see. But that's why I bought this. And look at it, stands up. That's kind of cool. So I got them. And I bought this for Alley Cat. She likes dragons. Isn't that pretty? Got that for Allie. That's for my alley cat. She saw it, and it wasn't that pricey. So she was asking me, and I could get that. And I bought me a Van Gogh coin purse. Keep my change in. So, instead of having it at the bottom of my backpack. And I got one stencil. That was pretty cool looking. And I got this stamp. It's like background writing. This is not sponsored, by the way. I got this one. You are the universe. Got this one with a bunch of like little writing. It's hard to. You'd have to take a magnifying glass to read that puppy. I thought this was so cool. Got that one. And I got this one. Oops. That was cool too. And I got the butterfly. It's an eye. And it has some sand. I have the bigger version of this. I just literally put it away. It's basically the same stamp, but this was smaller. So I made sure of that. And I got this one, which turned out to be bigger than I thought it was. This is so cool. It's a background stamp. I expected half of this size, but I'm okay with it. I ain't complaining. This is so cool. Look at that. Isn't that neat? It's all the gears. It's got like this bat in the middle. I thought that was cool. So got that. And last but not least, I got this. And here Chantel was here, and I didn't even show her. I forgot. So we have the heart, like, or is that a paw print? What's a paw print? Or it could be a heart upside down, I guess. So we got that one. We got a snowflake. We got a flower. And we got a bow. And I thought this one was the prettiest one. I thought it was really pretty. The heart. So that. And that is all, guys. I like that it had its own little personal case. So that is my TEMU. So, I want to thank you guys for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. And bye for now. Bye-bye, everybody.